guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I have some really exciting news that I have been wanting to share with you guys for a little while now. So I'm actually moving again for the third year in a row now. Luckily though, we're just moving to another unit in our building. We've been wanting more space for a while now, and we just decided to finally do it because our lease was ending for this apartment. So we thought it was the perfect time. So it's gonna be a way easier move than moving across states like we did before. I can't believe we did that twice. But yeah, we are literally moving out tomorrow on August 1st. So I'm so excited. I'm excited for you guys to see it tomorrow. It is very similar to my apartment right now. It's just like doubled in size and there's a lot more windows. And I can't wait to see how Nala reacts to having more space because she loves running around and exploring. So I just think she's really gonna love it. Me and Arie just love change. We love living in a new environment. Even though we're still living in the same building, we are moving to a totally different unit. So yeah, I just find that a new space is really inspiring and motivating, and I'm already starting to feel that way. So I love it. I've only done a couple kitchen cabinets and then this bookshelf so far, most of it at least. We didn't get any boxes this time because we're literally just gonna put everything in the elevator and then bring it up to our new apartment. So it's just a lot easier, and I didn't feel like we needed to go as hard for packing. So I just put everything in these Trader Joe's bags that we had. I had so many extra ones and they finally came in handy. So I was really happy about that. So I think this is the project we're gonna start on right now. All of these drawers and cupboards are still really full. I just have a bunch of, like, you know, that miscellaneous drawer that everyone has. And then just like cookware. This is silverware, so I probably won't do this quite yet, but I'll do, like, you know, all this random stuff. And then down here we have like some bags. Don't judge my messy cabinet. I tried to clean it up, but you know, it just ends up getting messy. We have a food processor, just random food down there. Our blender is down here too, but I don't know if I'll do that right now. And then we have an air fryer, toaster oven. I'll probably just honestly carry this up because they're too big. It'll just be easier that way. So it is currently at 5:45. I decided I'm gonna do a home workout. I'm trying to be more consistent with working out. So we're showing up today on Sunday. I always feel my best when I'm working out consistently and eating healthy. So I'm just trying to get back into a really good routine with that. So I'm gonna train abs and also train arms. I have some 3-pound dumbbells here, so I'm gonna use those.
It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign. Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like
We have done it, guys. We are officially all moved into our new place. I am loving it. It just feels so nice to have the extra space and not have everything feel so cluttered. I feel like I can literally breathe more. and Nala is loving it as well. She's been running everywhere. So we have an office here for Arie, and then our bedroom is over here. So she'll like sprint across the whole thing at like full speed, and it's the funniest thing ever. I still have to set up the bookcase, but I just had no energy yesterday after having to organize all the other bags. So yeah, it was mayhem in here, literally stuff everywhere, but I did organize everything yesterday because I just had to get it done. I really wanted to see what the space would look like with it all finished. And I've just been getting some work done this morning at my desk. This is the new work setup. I love it. It's so pretty. We have way more room in our bedroom this time, so it actually fits my desk, which is really nice. So I've just been checking emails, editing this video thus far, and stuff like that. I'm really bumming it right now. I still need to do my makeup, but I think I want to run to the grocery store and maybe film a grocery haul. I thought that would be fun because it would be the first one in this apartment. So I think I'm going to end this moving vlog off here, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so excited to be here. It just feels so motivating and new and fresh and fun. So I'm just so excited. I'm going to be here for the next year, and we'll see what happens after that, but it's going to be an exciting year of growth and just, you know, fun stuff. So I'm really excited. Anyway, I'm gonna go get ready now, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.